What's up, everybody? On this Mileage Unknown, it's going to be really short. We're going to talk about car names for a moment because we're trying to come up with a car name for the Ghia. We haven't really started working on the Ghia yet, and I know Shannon's chomping at the bit for me to get some stuff done to it. And the Ghia might be a little bit different on how we work on this one because we're just going to work on whatever we've got at the moment that we can do, because it kind of sucks if you're planning a video and then you need more parts and then you wait for another 3 weeks to record or finish the video. So we're just going to kind of work on what we've got when we've got it to get stuff done. Now, I didn't know that Shannon already had a name possibly for the Ghia, and I asked if I could name the Ghia, which she doesn't know what that name is. Do you guys name your cars? Because right here we got Pop's car, we got Penelope, we got Poopy, we got Otto over there, and we've got Skeeter over there, and of course there are many more car names. But come to find out, I may have had a part in naming Otto and Skeeter, so I didn't know how much of that was me or not. Now, Shannon, what was your name for the Ghia?
Stella.
Stella! Which, mind you, right before we started recording, she had already forgot the name and had to be reminded.
I did not.
So, the name, I went through a couple stages here when I was trying to figure out a name for the car. Because honestly, I've been kind of calling the Ghia an onion because there's a whole lot of layers.
So are you going to call her Walla Walla?
No, but there's a lot of layers.
Those are the best onions.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't even like onions.
And they're from Washington, makes it even better.
So I just was calling it an onion because there's a lot of layers. This car very well easily can turn into a project way above and beyond what we want and make our eyes water. So it's the onion car, right? Which, that's not the best name for a car. I looked up the name in German, which is Zweibel, which is much more masculine than I think the Ghia actually is. And so then I started looking up other names, which of course Shannon can name the car whatever she wants. She can veto the name. And one name popped out at me when I was looking at onion names, and that was Pearl, which is also a multi-layered thing that's created over time, and you know, so.
So you would like me to name the car after my great-grandmother, who was also known by Pearl.
Oh, well, I mean, I didn't know that, but that was the name that came to my mind. We're going to discuss the name. I would love for you guys to put in the comments below whether you think the Ghia looks like Pearl. Maybe she looks like Stella.
But now I'm kind of fond of Walla Walla since I threw that out there.
Yeah, now Walla Walla might be in the mix. So we've got a few. Maybe I'll do one of those YouTube
Votey
things somehow. But I would love to know in the comments below what your guys' names of your cars are. If you're like me, it seems like all of the cars have a name for some reason or another. So I would love to know the make and model of your car and the name of your car and maybe why you named it that. Definitely put it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. I think it's over here, and check out some of our other videos. I think the links are over here somewhere. But that's going to be it for this Mileage Unknown.
That's a wrap.